how to apply red Aspen nail dashes. Okay, so first of all, the nail dashes are numbered on the inside. It may be a little hard to see, but there you see it. And the number goes to the top, okay? Numbers at the top. The nails are actually designed to be thinner at the cuticle and curved to fit better and to stay on longer. Once you know what number you are on one side, you can match it up easily for the other hand. I start by laying all of mine out in the order that they're going to go on my fingers. It just makes it 1,000 times easier. So in the box, you get a glue, a cuticle stick, and then a file that I've already taken out. Basically, you get everything you need to apply them. The only additional thing that I recommend is alcohol pads. Now, I'm going to use our brush-on nail glue. It's currently out of stock, but if you're interested in it, I'll let you know when it restocks. It's $8. It's so awesome. You can do one coat for like a 5-ish day wear, or you can do 2 coats and do like the full almost 2-week wear on the nails. And it's just so much easier to use. Before I do my nails, the night before, I pre-game with a cuticle oil. I can't say that. Not the way that y'all understand it. But anyway, just because like I want to have my nails looking as best as possible, but I don't want to use that on the day of application. Also, 2 hours before and after I do my nails, I keep my hands out of water. That just helps to make the nails last a lot longer. Also, I prep my nails. I'm going to show you the nail prep. Okay, so I have these little cotton swabs, cotton sterile alcohol prep pads. That's what they're actually called. And I'll use just one of these. And if I can get it apart, I will go over each nail really well. This just cleans off the oils, any oils that you might have on your nails. This will clean it off. This just helps the nails stay on longer. This is the prep that I do. So I'll use this alcohol pad on all of my nails like so, and then I take the file that comes in the kit and I will just rough up my nails just a little bit with the pink side. I feel like the blue side is more abrasive, and I don't use it really unless I'm filing a lot of the fake nail, because I do file my nails. I clip and file them because I want them short like me. So anyway, that's what I do. That's how I get ready. Then I'm going to use the brush-on glue, but you can use the glue that comes in the kit. Because I want to only wear these for 5-ish days, I just do one thin coat. Like so. And I will give it just like a few seconds to dry a little bit. Get my little pinky nail. Y'all, this pinky nail is so tiny, but it ends up looking so huge on me. I'm looking for the number to make sure I've got this right side up. I try to lay them out that way, but then occasionally sometimes it'll take me a little while to do this and I don't have them laid out right. Also, another thing, I do use this side of the cuticle stick to push my cuticles back, but I had already done that, so I didn't show you. Sorry. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is apply the nail at an angle and then press it and hold it down. And the reason you apply it at an angle is because that will make it seal a lot better. It makes the glue flow evenly to the nail and it seals a lot better. And then I press on all sides. I just kind of move back and forth. You'll do this for 30 seconds, okay? It's a 30-second hold. And that's it. That's how you apply the dashes. It's kind of crazy because it's so easy. Super easy. Like if I can do it, you can do it. And let me hold this one and then I'm going to show you what it looks like if you don't clip and file it. They're long on me, but I have really short, fat hands. So for most people, they're the perfect length. The short ones are the perfect length for the majority of the world. Just not for me. Anyway, also I just like mine really short. So that's what it looks like. That's it. It's done. Now, what I do, I take toenail clippers and clip it. This just makes me have to file less. And then I will use the little file that comes in the kit. And it works so well for these nails. Like, I can't file my own nails worth a darn, but this makes these really easy to file. And I don't have to file much. But there it is. There's my pinky nail. That's it. I'm done. So I just wanted to show you this. I hope that it's helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know.